Welcome to the Health Insurance Laws and Rules section of the course. This lesson will cover specific regulations you need to follow for health insurance. We saw some of this in previous lessons, like free look and right to return provisions. Just remember that the free look begins upon delivery of the policy, not the sales date. This portion of the course concentrates on rules and laws that primarily affect producers and actions taken when selling or replacing health insurance contracts. The material also dives into state and insurance company regulations. The terms and definitions you'll see shouldn't be a surprise, but there are some new ones that should be studied carefully. We'll start with a look at Oregon's rules pertaining to long-term care insurance. The lesson will then take another look at Medicare supplement contracts or Medigap policies. From there, we'll take a little bit of a departure and discuss some policies we really haven't explored much, like accident policies, student health insurance, blanket coverage, and TRICARE, which covers military personnel and their families. We'll continue with the state regulation that surround advertising and disclosures that must be provided to an applicant at the time of application. We'll wrap things up with the topics of how statistics may be used for insurance companies, special offers and their related regulations, and prior approval requirements. Here we go.